While most teenagers and youngsters while away their time by browsing the internet or using their mobile phones to chat with friends or play games, Shillong's teenager Daaihun Readington spent most of the lockdown period in writing a book to pen down her thoughts as a young girl living in the midst of changes and challenges. The book was released by the advocate of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council SHILLONG'S on 12th July 2021 in the presence of Reverend WARJRI, Deacon SR THANKKHIEW, the staff of MAWPHOR and family members. The release of the book marked the 1-month death anniversary of Daaihun's father, late Readington MARWEIN. Speaking about her book, 18-year-old Da-Ai-HUN said that since the age of 10, she had her interest in writing, and ever since she has been composing short stories and fiction. The young girl said that she owed the success of her publication to her father, the editor of MAWPHOR, late Readington MARWEIN, and her family members for standing by her and encouraging her to go ahead with publishing her book entitled Teenage Rebellion. This book is published by Blue Rose of Delhi and marketed online by Amazon and Flipkart.
Mostly ang ong bedi papa. Ma iala di iong ba invest ra ta kam tho ma tamba iong ba ipoy kam tho. Te ka jingmut ka jongaru mchwa ngam kwa ra te ban long nong tho ne am kwa ta. Chwa padang re ngadon kata ka iem ban long doktor kan. Tang ba I papa pa iong ba dadi balong doktor man ban pe kam chadong ta. Hadian nga sedang perkat dade banga choose di kiwi jaj nong ki ki kerja kala ban effect kan ma no ba iong hi ipa ba I expect yang kan bangin penyat ya kam ka jong te hadian ka tu nga sedang kan ma banga chat melian ban tho te hang tu nga sa ong ba dade banga long nong tho ne ngadalong journalist kum tu kan effect kan effect ra no kanong benefit kan beneficial ya papa ta ya kam jong papa yang ngaruk kumjo pada ka ka hobi ka bangadan katai ka ba inspire yang ban tho
Apo school apo